Good morning, everyone. So this is where we're at this morning. Finn got tutored yesterday, and thank you all for the wonderful love and support and comments for him. He did not do well. I mean, the surgery went okay, but he is not handling it well. Was up most of the night with him. This cone is a hard cone and it is not functional for him. He's too active. And so we tried one of our neighbors here. I checked around. Where we live, there's not a lot of retail options. And I even called vet clinics. Nobody had one of those soft cones or one of those soft collars. So poor Jana, she is going to drive an hour one way today to get what we need. If I had known vets and retail stores and clinics around here didn't have them, I would have ordered some online. But anyway, baby boy is finally sleeping this morning. Yesterday I got Bandit's stuff, just so many things, his little serapes, both his winter coat and his summer coat, packed up and put in his trunk along with his two favorite blankets, his favorite toys, his little muzzle we used to have to use, his collar, all of those things, all of the wonderful, wonderful things are in the trunk. I got that done. I got 3 more boxes of dishes undone. I only have 3 more to go, but I didn't get to finish that. One of our neighbors has been in the hospital and then in rehab, and Sammy used to ride around with her on the golf cart, and Bandit just loved her and would get in her lap and hang out with her for as long as he could. He just loved her and she loved him, and she came home yesterday and I had to tell her that Bandit passed, and then we had to go get Finn, so I didn't get to get my dishes finished. So it felt like I had Bandit's funeral yesterday and then picked up this little guy from getting neutered, and then no sleep last night. But he's good. He's good. He's just wiped out. He will be able to be mobile and be a little bit better with that soft cone or soft collar. They also make a full body suit now that we're going to get that he can sleep in, and things will be a little bit better for him really soon. I'm trying to think what else I could give you as an update. I'm having my first cup of coffee, and slept in the casita because once again, for whatever reason, the rig AC is starting to freeze up, and I didn't want to have to move him in the middle of the night if that happened. So we slept in the casita last night on the sleeper sofa. And I'm sorry I look like I do, but right now, once again, it is what it is. All right, everybody, have a good day. I'll see you on the next video. Okay, kind of a blooper. I was editing the video and I looked back and I saw that I didn't finish, that one of our neighbors recommended using a pool noodle or pipe insulation covers to create a soft collar for him. And so we tried that, and it's a brilliant thing, but it didn't work. If we'd had a bigger tube, I think it would have, but anyway, it didn't. So here, I wanted to share this picture with you so that you would know what that looked like and what I was talking about before I squirreled and started talking about soft cones and soft collars not being available in this area.